Today, we're driving Daddy's car. What is up, guys? Mike Shana back with Michigan Muscle. I've got an awesome video to make for you guys today. So on a side note though, I've noticed in a lot of my comments, many people have been saying it must be nice to have daddy's money, daddy buying your car, daddy this, daddy that. Well, as far as all of you guys know, the Camaro is not my dad's car, by the way. It's my car, I paid for it, I have a job. But the car that I'm in right now, the 2017 Jaguar F-Type R, is my dad's. So today we're driving daddy's car. You can say that. And this car is amazing. It's got the 556 horsepower V8 supercharger in it. And let me tell you, it sounds like you got a 9 going off next to you when you're downshifting. I mean, listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that or not, but it sounds wicked. Alright guys, so a couple cool things about the R is this car's got a dual mode exhaust on it, which I have open currently right now. It also opens with the race mode that I've also got on, of course. Another cool thing is that it's got a transmission sport mode, where if you put it in the sport mode, some RPMs immediately bumped up without me touching anything. If I put it back, they drop. Back in sport, let's see how they bump back up? I haven't touched a single thing. So that's the sport mode for you. Or you can put it in paddle shift mode and downshift manually. You can hear the pops too, sound awesome. Alright, so I'll show you guys one more time we're driving around here. I want to put the car in sport mode without touching the paddle shifters. As you can see, the car downshifted immediately and is now in a sport mode. It crackles like crazy. I want to put it back into drive. And the RPMs drop back down. Now I can also downshift with the paddles, and you can see the number club on the dash. This car's freaking sweet. I wonder if it can beat a Hellcat though. I guess we'll have to find out. Alright guys, we're back at M1 Concourse. I've got the Jag, I've got the exhaust dumps wide open. We're going to do an exhaust comparison and see how it relates to gunshots. This thing's loud as ever. It's loud as a gun. It sounds like a 9 going off. So we're going to go ahead and get behind it and see how it sounds, see if we can freak some people out, and maybe set off an alarm or two. Let's go see. Alright, so you heard the sound of the Jag exhaust. Now, let's go shoot off an AK and see how that sounds.